Okay, before we start, I know what you're all going to say. It's never going to happen, especially in New Jersey. But that is exactly what we said about concealed carrying before Bruin. So guys, today we're going to break down what the National Concealed Carry Act is, if it could actually happen, and what that would mean for states like New Jersey. So guys, let's jump in right now. Remember, I am not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. Always look up all the laws for the states you're in for yourself. Guys, this is pretty awesome. And let me know down in the comments, do you think this will pass? Do you think there's any chance in this passing? Do you think it's just going to take years for anything to happen with this? Let me know down in the comments what you think. But this bill is called the National Concealed Carry Act. The main idea of it is that federal law will protect carry nationwide, and it's based on, obviously, the Second and the 14th Amendment. The bill basically says that the states cannot impose criminal penalties or financial barriers to carrying firearms in public if you are legally allowed to own a firearm. So if you're legally allowed to own it, you are legally allowed to carry it. So this would mean no permits, no fees, no licensing, no qualifications. And full disclosure, I do a lot of concealed carry qualifications in New Jersey. I started my company because I wanted to help people. I wanted to provide the service to get more people their concealed carry permit in New Jersey, because I knew that we were really underarmed in New Jersey, if that's a word, underarmed. We really didn't have a lot of people with their concealed carry permits, and people need their concealed carry permits to protect themselves and their families, and I wanted to provide that service to help people. But if this went through, I would not be doing that anymore, because there would be no qualifications. And you know what? That would still be awesome, because that's how it's supposed to be. So why this bill says that this is constitutional. So this bill references the Heller case in 2008, individual right to keep arms. It references the McDonald case in 2010. Second Amendment applies to the states. And the Bruin in 2022, the right to carry outside your home. The argument behind this bill is pretty simple. The Constitution says that the right to keep and bear in arms shall not be infringed. Isn't that amazing? It's just literally the Second Amendment. Like, this bill is just like, hey, this is what the Second Amendment says, and you guys aren't following it, so you have to. That's how it should be. That's how it never should have been corrupted and perverted in the first place. Somehow we got where we are, but this bill would change that. Bear arms means to literally, I say it all the time, to bear arms like a woman bears a child is childbearing. She carries it everywhere she goes. She doesn't need a license for that child. Maybe some people should need a license for their child. So if this bill went through, New Jersey would not be able to say, hey, you need to take this qualification to see if you're qualified for the right to defend your life. There would be no more government permission to carry a firearm. It would just be as it was meant to be. New Jersey would just become a constitutional carry state overnight. Supporters of this bill argue that our permit is the Constitution itself, and that's exactly right. The Bill of Rights already protects this right, so you shouldn't need a permit or a registration or a qualification. You don't need a permit to exercise free speech, so you shouldn't need a permit to exercise your Second Amendment. Now, it seems like there actually are still some limitations in this bill. It says it still allows private businesses to ban guns. It still allows secure government buildings, and it still allows federal restrictions. So this doesn't mean guns everywhere, but it would stop states from turning the Second Amendment into a pay-to-play system and a qualification for your Second Amendment that you already are given. Guys, if you can't see, we're getting these little wins here and there over and over. And yes, it's taking lots of time, but Bruin was a turning point. And after that, so many things will fall because of it. And this might just be one of them. So guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. Will this get anywhere, or will it get shot down completely? Let me know. Do you guys think that people should have to qualify? Do you think that some people are just too dangerous to be carrying a firearm around, and they should have some type of qualification? Because I talk to a lot of guys at the range in the Second Amendment world, and some people still think, well, some people shouldn't have a firearm, and it's a good thing that you have to qualify. I've even heard some police officers say, yeah, you know what, some people just shouldn't be carrying a firearm. But unfortunately, that's not what the Constitution says. So guys, let me know down in the comments, do you think this will pass? And do you think that people should have to qualify for a firearm? Do you think that you should have to show that you can shoot a certain amount of rounds in a certain spot on a target to actually get a concealed carry permit? Or do you think that we should just have constitutional carry, and anyone and everyone should be able to carry a gun to defend their life, because everybody has the right to life. Everybody has a right to defend their life and their family's life. And how else do you do that without a firearm? Also, if you need to take a concealed carry permit qualification in New Jersey, hit me up on my website. My link is in my bio, and I can do the qualification for you. And you know what? If this passes, you won't even need to do it anymore. But for now, I am providing that service because I want to get more responsibly armed citizens in New Jersey on the streets, protecting themselves and their family. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. Guys, remember, we are winning slowly but surely. It is taking lots of time, but Bruin happened. We're able to carry in New Jersey, so don't give up hope yet. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. God bless you all. Thanks a lot.